If you've been using Cursor AI and want it to feel even faster and smarter, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Agent Autocomplete in Cursor AI step by step so you can get more powerful suggestions while coding and editing. This can help Cursor predict larger code blocks, understand your flow better, and make your workflow feel much more seamless. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once you're inside the app, look for the gear icon, which is usually where your settings are located. Click that gear icon to open Cursor settings. This is the main place where you can adjust your editor preferences, behavior, and AI features. After the settings panel opens, look for the agent section. Cursor organizes a lot of its AI-powered features here, so this is the area you want to focus on if you're trying to improve how the assistant behaves while you code. Click into Agents, and you should see different options related to agent-based assistance. Now, find the Agent Autocomplete option. This is the setting that allows Cursor AI to predict and suggest more advanced completions, including entire multi-line code blocks or more complex edits in real time. Instead of only helping with the current line, it can assist with bigger chunks of work and give you a much more intelligent autocomplete experience. Once you see the toggle for Agent Autocomplete, simply switch it on. As soon as it's enabled, Cursor will start using that feature in your editing workflow. You may notice that suggestions become more context-aware and more useful when working through code, making it easier to move faster without breaking your momentum. If you don't see the change immediately, give Cursor a moment to apply the setting, and if needed, refresh your workspace or restart the app so the new option fully takes effect. After that, you're all set. Agent Autocomplete should now be enabled in Cursor AI, and you can start taking advantage of smarter AI suggestions as you work. This is a really useful setting if you want Cursor to feel more proactive and more helpful, especially when you're writing repetitive code, building components, or making larger edits. It can save time, reduce friction, and help you stay focused on the task instead of manually typing everything line by line. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple AI tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.